Hello, boys. Welcome to this class, my first class to you. And so it's a bit quite strange that uh, we are going to teach you English rather than teaching chemistry and other related science subjects. But this has been there over several years about making students understand English. The reason is we may have a lot of knowledge, but if you are not able to express, if you are not able to write, it will be considered as zero knowledge. So let us have into certain aspects and look into the science-based English learning class from our sides. Okay. So that I'm going to just share a screen which suggests how important the knowledge of English is. Here you can see that this is a very good paper that deals with the importance of communication learning. Right? Here it is, importance of communicative language learning and the learner-centered environment. Environment is very important. Here the paper is meant for engineering students. We can just take it for science also, because there is not much difference in science. In science we devise the basic things, and in engineering they just apply it. We tell the mechanism and they do the rest of the things, technology, and bring it to the day-to-day life. But whatever it is, the learning communication skills are essential to meet the needs and demands of the technical advancement in education and employability. Okay, so here is what is the introduction to that. Generally speaking, English is regarded as a lingua franca. Lingua franca means, it's a for all, mother of all languages. Okay, because it can deal with several subjects such as business, economy, science, and technology. And it is overly dominant in scientific and technological fields with all relevant in groundbreaking information. English has constantly evolved as a means of communication in the engineering field. You read it as science field also, and finally gains a huge advantage over the other languages. That is why it is called as the lingua franca. The key to improving English speaking skills is to provide favorable communication environment to stimulate the desire for interacting in the target language. Where is this environment? The environment here we have chosen is our college, the college, and particularly classroom. What has happened over the years is that we haven't touched upon the importance of speaking in English and giving too much importance to our mother tongue. Mother tongue is very essential because whatever language we study, we understand only in mother tongue only. So it cannot be ignored. But this is for communication. How I should pass on my information to you. How you should get information from me to you. Okay. So you have to have a very good environment. Okay. In the traditional teaching approach, however, much emphasis is put on explaining linguistic facts, and that is the history. And a few interactive activities were organized, resulting in inadequate training of students. That is, the environment, in a sense, it means you should have access to all the instruments that are needed for learning of the English. For example, you need to have very good magazine, you need to have very good newspaper, and I should be also an example of what I am going to teach. That is, I should also be reading more and more of English. Okay. Now, here is the objective of the study. Learner-centered education is a type of classroom setting wherein learners are persuaded to submerge themselves in their own learning development. Okay, but I am coming back directly to the objective study because I explained this. The objective of the study is to encourage the science students. I'm just striking this because it's a paper. This is the same whether it is the science or technology students, to involve actively in their own learning process. You keep your own method, whether you want to read any English paper. Suppose if you take a English newspaper, you can see several front page which is full of politics, the last page which is full of sports, the center page which has got opinion and the letters to the editors. This happens to be a very fascinating column, and then English is also very different, and you can choose your own. So some teachers directly go for puzzle, some teachers go for Sudoku, and they just solve this using their own ability. Okay. So the objective is you choose your own article, whether you want to read article, whether you want to read magazine, whether you want to read newspaper or some other article, you have to choose the first thing. The second thing is to strengthen and promote integrated language skills and ability of the students. Integrated language skills means most probably you have to take up transition into your mother tongue. Transition into your mother tongue. And the third point is to stimulate their interest in cultivating their critical thinking. This is what we are lacking. Critical thinking means, you have to go, sometimes we call it as the out of the box thinking. வேற மாதிரி இருக்கு இல்லையா ஒரு படம் அந்த மாதிரி you should think differently in so many cases. So critical thinking is also forms part of what we call it as the creative ability. Something new can be created. Something new is to be created. So what is that new? New means, there is some problem. If there is any problem, suppose if you go to some industry and they ask you to come up with a certain solution, you cannot say, sir, it is not in my syllabus, I haven't studied. You cannot say like that. You have to just take up that problem, find out what is the crux of the problem, what is the depth of the problem, and then try to solve it using various inputs. The inputs, is the communication. You communicate with your seniors, you communicate with your teachers. For example, in our chemistry laboratory, we prepare nitrobenzene or acetyl salicylic acid, which is also better called as aspirin. Acetyl salicylic acid, acetyl salicylic acid or paracetamol. Acetyl salicylic acid is aspirin. You just take 5 grams and then in a 100 ml standard flask, prepare it very easily. The flame is also available. You do everything in the lab. But if you go to industry, you will have about you will have to prepare 500 kg of aspirin. It becomes very huge. What you did in small test tube, it's a very big tube. There are so many big apparatus. The control features also become very essential. Okay, so with just without any communicating skills, you cannot just say I don't know and you will be kicked off. You need to have so many other communicating skills to communicate with the seniors, with the experienced persons, with the teachers. Okay, so the next point is to provide the opportunity to talk by using pair work or group work. In the coming days, we are going to see how many of you will be pairing and how many of you will be grouping them. To develop the autonomy and interaction in order to succeed in their employability and the workplace needs. Okay. So what I suggest is, in every sentence you get one information. ஒவ்வொரு சென்டென்ஸ்லயும் ஏதாவது படிச்சீங்கன்னா ஒரு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் உங்களுக்கு என்ன கிடைச்சிருக்குன்னு சொல்லி அதை நீங்க முக்கியமான பாருங்க. இதுதான். Okay, rational. Rational means, side by side, what you need to know is, when you have rational means, what is the rational behind your teaching English? Rational means you should have a reason. And in science, we have reason and cause. Okay, cause, reason precedes cause. முதல்ல ரீசன் இருக்கும், அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் காஸ் இருக்கும். யா, அதே மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் எதுனால இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இங்க ஒரு ரேஷனல் இருக்கு. The author of the present study has a personal experience belonging to the College of Engineering and Technology as a faculty of English for Science and Technology for over a period of 20 years. Okay, அவர் 20 years சொல்றாரு. எனக்கு இந்த மாசம் 26 years முடியுது. So I just finished 26 years at Islamia College, and I have seen that most students they jerk English off. இங்கிலீஷ்னா அது நமக்கு வராது. சரி, இங்கிலீஷே இருக்கட்டும், கம்யூனிகேஷன் ஸ்கில் இல்லை. கம்யூனிகேஷன் ஸ்கில் மீன்ஸ் even in for talking in Tamil also, they don't know. They don't know how to communicate with the elders. They don't know how to communicate with the teachers. And this comes under something what you call the soft skills. Okay. So he has got 20 years. He says that there is a rationale behind every class to be imbibed with, every class should be conducted with some English teaching. Earlier we used to take 10 minutes of English class, but now complete semester is there for the English class. Okay. And that is the rationale. Rationale means reason. Okay, you have to keep a notebook, write the meaning also. Don't just think that it is some other word and you can just ignore it. It is not like that. I used to keep a book, notebook side by side and keep on reading. Even before English communication was there, I will always tell the students to study any important science rating, any important way. Every day, உங்களுக்கு பயமா இருக்கும், என்னடா நாங்க படிக்கிறதெல்லாம் மறந்துடுமே அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. Don't bother about that. You can just keep on learning. The brain is a very peculiar thing. It records everything that you see right from the day you are born. Therefore, recollection is the only thing that is required. Recollection means படிச்சதெல்லாம் நீங்க மறுபடியும் ஞாபகம் படுத்திக்கணும் அப்படின்னா அதுதான் பேர் recollection. எப்படி ஞாபகம் வரும் படிக்கிறதெல்லாம்? நீங்க ஷார்ப்பா இருக்கணும். எப்படி ஷார்ப்பா இருப்பீங்க? ஷார்ப்பா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா நீங்க கண்டினியூஸ்ல அந்த எஃபர்ட்ஸ்ல இருந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ எதுவுமே இல்லாம எனக்கு தலையெழுத்து லக்கு அப்படின்னு உட்காந்தீங்கன்னா வராது. With hard work, everything is possible. Okay. Then this is the paper also deals with the center of need for learning centered teaching. In the present competitive world, students should be provided individual learning atmosphere to get communication skills. Okay. The learn centered teaching method is an important strategy. That is why we have included this. So the next thing is okay, here he has given so many articles for review of literature. Review of literature means what all you have referred, what all you have read, you have to refer it. எங்கேருந்து எடுத்தீங்க ஆர்டிகல் அப்படின்னா நீங்க சொல்லணும். சும்மா நானே பார்த்துட்டேன் அப்படி இப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. அதுக்கு பேர் தான் ரிவ்யூ ஆஃப் லிட்ரேச்சர். ஓகே. ஸோ ஹியர் இஸ் ஒன் book which in English for a specific purpose. Language teaching designed to meet the specific needs of the learners who are employed at the teaching. Okay. So, what are the variable characteristics? You don't have to remember all these things. இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு மனப்பாட தேவையில்லை. பட் நான் உங்களுக்கு என்ன சொல்ல வரேன் அப்படின்னா, what I am going to try to tell you is I will be dealing with reading and writing. So you just can start reading with any book. I can give you an example. In the first BSc when I joined, I started reading this book called as that was the first book I found in the library. This book deals with the science. There is so much that it is able to, this book can tell you it can tell you about the physics and chemistry. It can tell you the aspects of origin of the universe. இந்த உலகமே எப்படி ஆரம்பிச்சது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. It can tell you about the birth of time, and it can tell you about the shape of atoms, origin of atoms, and spin of atoms. I have read this book at least 10 times. It's very one of the most beautiful book. And if I read and I'm just telling you this, these are all will be, you will be calling it as the இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ்ல உங்களுக்கு என்னப்பா சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க அப்படின்னா, அந்த சார் வந்தாரு, இது சொன்னாரு, இந்த விஷயம் சொன்னாரு, இந்த விஷயம் சொன்னாரு, இந்த விஷயம் சொன்னாரு, in all bit இல்லையா? அந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் தான் you have to use it. You have to use it to write essay. So if you ask me to write about the origin of the universe, I can go on telling about this. I can tell you the 4 types of times: relative time, cosmological time, absolute time, and thermodynamic time. அப்படியே சொல்லிட்டே போயினே இருக்கும். அதெல்லாம் சொல்றதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு எப்படி வரும், நீங்க வந்து படிச்சுட்டு தான். Okay, so in my next class, okay, in this class, I have just given you the reference why it is important for you to study English and communicate English, for that reference. And then within the reference, I have given you the objective and rational reason. And then the 4th part, I have given you the book I have read, and I am able to communicate. I am reading, and after that I am able to write here. I have given a small paragraph and have written that thing, particularly what I have found very good. So each class, you call it as the information. Okay, you build up a huge database, and then let me see what we can do in the next class. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next class, maybe with some more examples and workout examples. So have a good time, and thank you for joining me.